In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a talking AI avatar in Canva, step by step for beginners. To follow along, make sure you're on a desktop browser or the Canva desktop app and signed into your account. Once you're in Canva, look over to the left-hand panel and click Apps. This is where Canva keeps the tools and integrations that extend what you can do inside your projects. In the Apps area, use the search bar to find AI avatar video, then select it. You'll be prompted to choose your video type. You can upload a video from your computer using Upload, or bring one in from the web with Link. Upload is best if you already have a clip you own the rights to and want to animate. Link is handy if your video is hosted online and you're allowed to use it. If you're just testing things out, choose Try Example Video and pick one of the available AI avatar samples to see how the process works before using your own media. If you chose Upload, click Choose File and select your video. Give Canva a moment to process it. Next, set up your audio under Audio Input. You have three options: Upload, Text-to-Speech, or URL. Upload is ideal if you've recorded a voiceover separately. Click Choose File and add your audio. For a quick, polished result without recording, pick Text-to-Speech. Paste or type your script, and select a voice. Voices with clear diction and moderate speed usually sync more naturally with the avatar. If your audio is hosted online and you have permission to use it, select URL and paste the link. When both your video and audio are ready, click Generate to create your AI avatar video with audio. Canva will process the lip sync and combine everything. After it's generated, preview the result carefully. Listen for clarity, check the pacing, and watch the mouth movements to see if they align well with the words. If something doesn't feel right, you can return to the audio settings to choose a different voice, tweak your script phrasing for better timing, or re-upload your files. A few small adjustments often make a big difference. Once you're happy with the preview, click Share in the top corner, then download to save your talking AI avatar video. Choose the file format and quality that suit your needs, and let Canva export the final version. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.